RIME stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Algorhythm Holdings stock is trading at 16 cents, 16 and a half exactly, 27% down on Wednesday. Now, generally speaking, today markets closed, and just observing this is still a bearish range. Now, I'm not going to say that I'm going to immediately short, but there's like some nuance to this. I have done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, documented everything. Just observing this, it's a bearish market. I mean, I definitely talked about it previously, but like, look, it all began, like my bias began being bearish from like right around there, and that delivered, and now we're here. Like I mentioned, if I see a double break, I'm taking things lower. I saw the first break. If the price now breaks with a full candle close beneath certain lows, then it came on as well. So I will definitely continue to keep you updated. This is by no means financial advice, and I'm just sticking to my edge that I refine. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.